I do get the hype, honestly. Hey guys, so for today's video, we're doing a product review. This product literally begged me to do a review on it because on my TikTok, all I'm seeing daily is a review of this product. It is a light, it's like a selfie light. In the dark, it just illuminates everywhere. So I thought, why not try it myself? Because I'm aware that I do need better lighting for my videos. So I thought, when I'm traveling, wherever I'm going, if it's dark, why not have this light if it actually works? Hey, it's Cassjcass and welcome back to my channel. Let's catch up. Subscribe for more. So like I said again, I got it from TikTok. It's one of those TikTok lighting whatever, right? So I will also put the link on the description below for you if it works, because I say it how it is. I don't try to make things look all good. If it's good, it's good. If it's not good too, it's not good. So it comes like this in that little box, and all right. So it comes with all its instructions here in Chinese, and in English. Okay, so it comes with all of its instructions here, which we're going to see. All right, so this is the actual lighting. It's supposed to be this little tiny thing that illuminates everywhere in the video, because the videos I'm telling you, the videos that I'm looking at, they look very, very, very convincing. So it does come with its own bag, which is amazing, and charger. So it is a charging one, and then the little thing to connect it. So let's just see. I'm guessing this goes here. Honestly, I don't know. I'm not even looking at the thing. Okay, so it goes here. Oh, okay. So this one, because I do have two lighting, like I have two like this right now that I'm using. So I guess if I wanted an extra one as I'm filming, I could also connect it on my tripod, that's good so far. And then I guess if I am, all right, so this one is for the tripod if I'm going to do it like that. And then the other one, so this is cool. If I wanted it like this, I can put it over here. But if I wanted it horizontal or vertical, I have the option. So like this or like that, which is cool. And if I want the one that only goes on the phone, then I put it here. So the buttons are over here. We have the on button to the button to change the light. So there's two of them to make it cooler or hotter. And then there is the up and down button. So I'm going to turn the two lights I have off so you can see the differences. But let's see. So this is one that's off right now. And then the other one is off. I'm going to try to keep this on to see. I'm going to try to keep filming so you could see. All right, so I'm guessing I'll put it like right here on the side. It doesn't say where I have to put it, but I'm going to put it on the side. Okay, earlier I was using two lights and now I'm only using one, and I feel it looks good. Let's turn my top light off to see. Listen, I'm not mad. Listen, this looks so much natural, honestly. Wow. Okay, so both lights are off, and then my top light is like the house light is off as well. Like this is literally the only light that's on the like. All right, I get the hype now, honestly. Wow, so let me turn it off so you guys can see the difference, okay? So this is like literally how the whole house is supposed to look right now, and then when I turn it on, and then wow, okay, all right, I see the hype, I get the hype. So this is really good. All right, so we have the colored ones, and then we have this, that's another tone. Okay, so this one, I guess I feel like it looks cute, but honestly I can't really see because it really like blur my eyes. But I feel like it looks good on the camera though. Okay, so I think I'm gonna continue filming, finish filming with this. But honestly, I do like it very much because the difference between dark, like I'm literally in darkness right now, and then like I feel like anywhere I go, I don't have to bring these two lights with me because that was my plan. Anywhere I go to bring these two little tripods with me because I didn't want to carry too much. But literally just this is amazing. Honestly, I love this. I do get the hype. I do understand why everybody's making a video about it because it does work. Like I was literally in total darkness, and then just to show you, it's like coming to Christ, you know. But yeah, so I will definitely recommend this because you can just put it in your little pocket. Just make sure it's charged, you know. But I'm pretty sure if you have a computer with you, you can always you know, plug it in. But as long as it's charged, you're good. So I love this about it. And it is one of these chargers, like the new the chargers that I forgot the name of it, but the chargers that the new iPads have. So I love it. But this is it for the video. Let me know what you think, because honestly I think this is what that's the light I'm gonna start using from now on whenever I'm making like a quick video. But yeah, definitely a 10 out of 10. Click the description below, click the link on the description below to get yours, especially if you make videos often. It's gonna be a life-saving, okay? But this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment of what you thought, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.